Hi guys, my name is Basil with Brian Wang LLC, and this is George with RAP4. We're here at RAP4 in Gilroy, California, and we're testing out some equipment. So George has the Walther P99 in with CO2, shooting 43 caliber powder rounds, and he's going to shoot me right in the ass, and I might take some close-ups without the cheeks, and show you guys what the results look like. So here it goes.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Okay. All right.
Got the thing there.
Woo! Feel it. Okay, that's not so bad. Thank you, and thanks, George.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay. Hi guys, this is Basil with Brian Wang LLC. I'm here at RAP4 in Gilroy, California, and I'm testing out the 468 PTR paintball marker from RAP4, and we're going to shoot this into the bullet trap. Yeah.
That's going to give you the look, feel, everything you're looking for out of a standard AR,
Can I ask you for a favor?
Sure.
Is that gonna mark up?
It's just a little, like maybe powder so much right now.
Alright, cool. This is the talent composition, right?
Yes, this is the powder.
Alright, cool. Hope I'm still in the frame. Alright, this is gonna hurt like shit. Alright.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Okay, here it comes.
Woo.
Feel that one?
Damn. That's the camera. Holy shit. That thing's got some kick. Okay, over and out.